In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invoice template using Zoho Invoice. This is a great way to make sure your invoices reflect your brand identity and meet your business needs. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll need to navigate to the Settings menu in Zoho Invoice. To do this, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your interface. Once you've clicked on it, you'll want to find the option labeled PDF Templates and select it. This section is key because it houses all your existing template options, giving you a comprehensive view of what you can work with and customize. Now that we're in the PDF Templates section, click on the Invoices tab. This action will display all the invoice templates you currently have at your disposal. Take a moment here to review the different templates, gauging which one best fits your needs or preferences. Once you've decided on a template, hover over it and you'll see an option to edit it. Click on the Edit button, and this will open a whole new window of possibilities, the Template Editor. Inside the Template Editor, you'll discover several important elements you can adjust to suit your branding and business requirements. Let's start with the template properties. Here you have the flexibility to change the template name, select a paper size like A5, A4, or letter, and choose between portrait or landscape orientation. You can also adjust the margins to ensure everything fits neatly and pick a font that aligns with your brand's identity. Next, take charge of personalizing specific sections of the invoice, such as the header, the item table, the total calculation area, and the footer. Each section should be tailored to clearly convey all the necessary information your recipients need to see. Consider adding your logo in the header for that touch of personalization or reformatting item details to enhance clarity. To enhance the visual appeal, explore the background options available. You can add a background image or change the color to align with your brand theme, making your invoice not only functional, but also visually appealing. Don't forget about text styling. Adjust the font type, color, and size to maintain a consistent and professional look, contributing to improved readability. Before you finalize your changes, it's a good idea to utilize the Preview button. This feature allows you to see exactly how your invoice will appear once it's received by your clients, ensuring your customization efforts have the desired effect. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, hit the Save button. This will secure all your changes and allow you to use this newly customized template for future invoices. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your invoice template in Zoho Invoice. With these adjustments, your invoices will not only stand out, but also effectively represent your brand. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.